Hello everybody, again, it's BLG here. Walking around over here, I'm going to show you something. We're getting ready to go try this other place where they allegedly there's blue crab running and stuff. But check it out. Got the new windshield put on the motorcycle. I did that 2 days ago. It looks nice. It's half the height of the original one. Got a smoked color to it. Makes the bike look a lot newer than it is, I think. And I can see through it and the wind goes over the top. Pretty cool, huh? I got my high-rise mirrors. I put them on a while back. Those are nice because I couldn't see over myself because I'm tall. But yeah, got the new windshield put on and everything. It took about 20 minutes. So yeah, it's half clean again. Took it for a ride yesterday. I went for a ride on it yesterday. But we're getting ready to go try these blue crab they say are running everywhere. The kids brought home 3 of them last night, so, and then a cold snap's coming through. High of 56 today. It's like high 40s right now. So I don't know if that's going to affect fish or not, but we're going to try. Me and this one right here. This person right there. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
She's digging in there. I think she dropped her pills.
No, I did.
You know, the ones that make you see shit and freak out? Yeah.
You know what?
She's going to drop an acid.
Can't find my keys.
Oh God, she's still looking for keys.
Yeah.
Well, they're not back here that I know of. I got everything loaded except for chairs.
Okay, let's grab the. Oh shoot, we could drop this and then.
Not worried about that. You need to find your keys if we're going anywhere.
Well, I've got one, but.
Keys. Not the Florida keys. The mama keys. And she took her medicine this morning. She shouldn't be like this. She is searching, desperately searching for her keys. But anyways, I'll see you when we get moving on the road or something. I'm going to load up the chairs and we'll get going. She's looking for her keys. You see that? Right there? That's the keys to this van. Right there. Think I should go tell her so we can get going? See, look. That's the keys to the van. I'm going to go tell her so we can get on the road. I want to see these mysterious crab they keep saying. I think they stopped and bought 3 crab and brought home last night. But the goal is to try to get at least a dozen or 2 snacking crab. We'll see. Maybe even get a fish or something. The legend is just a myth to me at the moment. We'll see. We made it. It's a little spot. I thought it was a big spot. This isn't the one I was thinking of off of I-10. But it's cool. It's grassy and stuff. It looks fishy. Boat ramp open 24 hours a day for fishermen. But the pier, if you're just hanging out, I guess they're calling that a pier. It's a dock. Daylight hours only. Not bad. We'll see. We'll see. No dumping of household garbage. Caution, severe drop-off at the end of the ramp. So apparently it gets fairly deep. I don't know. To launch a boat and that stuff, I would guess it does. We're going to go out and take a look and see what it looks like here. I don't know. We ought to buy that house right there. That house right there we could buy and just walk over here and fish. Yeah?
Do what?
Buy that house right there.
I don't even know. It's right there.
And just buy that house and you could just walk over here and try to fish.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a little
Well, you can walk down
dirt
there
pond. And that'd take you out to the bay, I guess. More than likely. Let me see. They're saying you see things and stuff out here. I'm going to look. There's a bunch of little bitty minnows. Okay. Minnows. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's minnows right down there. Minnows. And a bunch of shells. Looks like an oyster shell right there.
Yeah, I know it. I don't know if somebody brought one.
I don't know. Then when a little fish jumped, I don't know. I don't see any crabs anywhere. I don't see anything, actually. I'll just drop a little trap right off of the end of here and tie some chicken. Probably wrap it around that sign thing right there, I guess, and just sit, or I don't know, go sit in the van and wait for about 10 minutes and come back. There's little fish jumping. This would be a good place for bobber though. Throw it out there and the bobber would want to go out like that. At least today it would. Well, that's what I mean. It got cold. I thought about it, so.
Well, yeah, that too.
You know.
We can still try.
Yeah, I don't know, I suppose. You can throw a line out or something. And I'm going to go, I don't know if I want to mess with trying it, but I guess we're here. I could throw that thing. The hell is this? I guess I'll set up and see what happens. I doubt anything, but we'll see. That's us. Say hello, us. Well, here we are. She's got a line out over there. Out there somewhere. Not too far out. I've got a crab trap right down there. My little pulled it up bait thing. And we'll see what happens. I don't see any crab. The water's not too cold, so maybe it won't affect them. I don't know. I gotta give mine about 10 minutes and see what happens. And she's just gonna hang on to her pole and see if she gets a nibble. So, I don't know. Allegedly, the kids caught theirs on the fishing line like that.
Well, they were over across
And then when they were
the street.
just kind of coming up,
We caught them here too.
they
Oh.
come up to where they seen them.
Your chicken.
Oh, great! Look, all my bait's coming out. That's awesome. Oh well, we'll check in a little while. Look, I got a baby. I got a baby one. Back you go, little feller. Look at him. Aye! I got a baby. That's why a little piece of bait came out. Okay, well, I'll try this some more and see if I get something to keep. Cool. That was about 4 minutes. Get them upside down. The mama just pulled one in on a fishing line. I got it in the net. It's a keeper. And now that I know I can catch them here with this, I did the right way to do it. I heard it beep that time. Here we are. We're still here. Same place. Same spot. Sunshine on the waddy. Blind you. The mama just got another one. I got another one too, but it was too small. I let him go. We got 3 in the bucket now. You think? Should be 3 in here. Yep, we got 3 of them in here now. So we've kept 3 out of 7 now. Yeah, 3 out of 7. And I got mine still soaking. So we'll see. Update coming soon. See, little fishes are starting to jump. Out here and over there was one. Little fishes though, like they look like little croakers or something maybe. I just caught another blue crab, too small. Don't want to keep him. He's only about 3 inches, 3 inches across. Nah. So grand total is 9 so far. Not bad, not bad. And we kept 3 so far out of 9. And they took my goddamn drumstick. I don't know how they did that one, but they took my drumstick. I got a thigh tied down there now. A thig, chicken thig. Been wanting a blue crab for 2 years now. And every time I try to catch nothing. Well, I'm having luck with my little trap. So I'm a happy fat man. Florida fat man happy. Happy, happy. See, you can tell we're in Florida. Look at them. Southern pines and shit. All over the place. Big nice houses back in here. It's nice back here. So anyways, I'm going to start pulling my trap up about every 5 minutes. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes. This last one, I didn't even know there was anything in it until I got it up where I could see. So, yeah, I might just get 1 in the trap each time. Most I got in the trap so far was 3, but one of them bailed out before I got it all the way up, and 2 of them stayed in, and I kept 1. Oh well, update coming soon. This is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. You in there? Paying attention? Yeah, you. Pay attention, yeah? We'll be back. Update. Mama got snagged. She's putting a new line on. She's back there. She's not putting a new line on. She's tying on a new hook and getting another minnow. We're back, as you can see. We are back. We've did the crabbing for about 2 hours. got 12 of them caught total. Kept 6 out of the 12. Not too shabby. So, yeah, they're all done and in the freezer now. So, yeah, pretty good day. Pretty good day for old BLG. We finally have a place where I can go try to catch blue crab and stuff, which is what I've been wanting to do for 2 years. So, yeah, anyways, that's it for this episode. Hands on with BLG. Going crab fishing. So, we'll catch you in the next episode. Next exciting episode, if it's exciting at all. We'll see. See what's coming up next. I still got this other game down here. We still got to do this tournament fishing game. I'll do that sometime. But right now, I'm just tickled. We got some crab. Had a good time. Me and the old lady just chilling out. A little chilly today, like I said, high of 56. It's probably 52 right now. But it's better than you guys in your snow. And we'll be back in the 70s in 3 days. We'll get back in up to 72, 68 to 72. So anyways, for Hands On with BLG, I am BLG, and I am righty. And I am the camera. See what to them? See you guys. Goodbye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.